Do you want to learn how to use time remapping in After Effects to create stunning speed changes in your videos? Well, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll master this very powerful tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Now let's dive straight in. First, go ahead and drag the video onto the timeline to create a composition. To enable time remapping, select your video layer in the timeline, then go to the top menu, click Layer, and choose Time, Enable Time Remapping. You'll see keyframes appear at the start and end of your clip in the timeline, representing the beginning and the end of the footage. Now, move the playhead to where you want to adjust the speed. Add a keyframe by clicking the stopwatch icon next to Time Remap in the Effects Control panel. This marks the point where you'll create your speed change. To speed up a section, drag two keyframes closer together on the timeline. This compresses the time between them, making that part of the video play faster. To slow down a section, drag the keyframes further apart, stretching the time and thus creating a slow motion effect. If you want to reverse the footage, drag the second keyframe to the left of the first keyframe, and this will make the footage play backwards. For smooth transitions between speed changes, right-click on a keyframe and select Keyframe Assistant. Then go to Easy Ease. This makes the speed adjustments less abrupt. You can further tweak the timing by opening the graph editor and adjusting the curve of the keyframes for precise control. Once you're happy with the time adjustments, preview your work by pressing the spacebar. If the footage looks choppy, you can enable frame blending by clicking the frame blending switch above the timeline. This helps After Effects interpolate frames for smoother playback. And that's it! You've now mastered time remapping in After Effects. I hope this tutorial has helped.